Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is day 1 of my A Day in My Life, my room renovation journey series. Before anything else, let me show you what my room looks like right now. So ayan, this is my room. As you can see, maliit lang talaga yung space ko. And the biggest thing here is my bed. Sobrang laki niya para sa size ng room kaya halos siya yung kumakain ng buong area. Most of my stuff is nasa gilid lang nakaayos. Wala akong cabinet dito kasi sobrang sikip na pag naglagay pa. Kaya minsan medyo cluttered siya tingnan. At to be honest, ang hirap gumalaw kapag ganito. Pero kahit maliit at medyo siksik, may mga bagay pa rin ako na gusto. I like that the room still feels warm and comfortable. Everything is within reach, so madali lang ang galaw ko. Pero syempre, ang dami ko rin gustong baguhin. Yung walls look like dull, parang walang buhay, and dahil sobrang laki ng bed, limited talaga ang space ko para maglagay ng study area or kahit maliit na working spot. So, ang plano ko is maglagay ng kortina para mas neat at mas fresh tingnan yung walls. Maglagay ng konting design sa gilid para hindi plain at para mas me yung vibe ng room. At pinaka-importante, mas aayusin ko yung mga gamit ko para hindi masakit sa mata tingnan at mas organized siya. So ayun, yung goal ko for this room makeover, not a big renovation but enough to make my space cleaner, more comfortable and more aesthetic. I'm excited to start fixing everything tomorrow. Don't forget to stay tuned for day 2. Bye-bye!